So today we will work on the JavaScript. First, let's select the password and the button. So open script.js, add a variable password box and use document.querySelector to select the input with the ID password. Again, create another variable button and use document.querySelector to select the button with the ID button. We need to click on this button, so let's use button.addEventListener. We need a click type and a callback function. Inside the function, let's add if-else statement. In the condition, let's test if the type of the password box is equal to password. If yes, I will update its type to a text. So let's use password box dot type equals text. We also need to update the icon of the button. So let's use button.innerHTML equals. Let me copy this icon and modify over here. Once done, check the preview. Now if you click on this button, the password is visible. Let's hide them when we click on this button. So inside the else statement, let's use password box dot type equals password. Again, let's update the icon. So use button.innerHTML equals the HTML code of the icon. Let's check the preview. Now, if you click on this button, the password should be visible. Again, if you click on them, the password is hidden. Great. This is the end of this final session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this JavaScript project, show and hide password. See you in my next video.